Hi, my name is Brian Sebastian, better known as Doc Marketing. So, you've been in business for a while now, and you've spent more than your share of money on advertising campaigns. But somehow, you're still not seeing results. Well, maybe in the beginning, but dumping a pile of money into advertising while neglecting to have an effective process in place to convert more of the interested prospects is not the answer, no matter what the advertising companies tell you. The problem is that typical advertising agencies only care about how many prospects they can attract. They're not concerned with how well you convert, how much you sell, or how often customers buy. Without having the right systems in place to convert prospects more effectively, sell them more, and retain their business longer, you end up spending far more money on advertising than you should. So, if spending more money on advertising won't fix the problem, what will? Try The Target Group, Inc. The Target Group uses a multi-pillar approach that will let you discover and optimize the current assets you have in your business and how to use them to help you grow. If you're looking to elevate your company's bottom line, attract, convert, and retain clientele better than ever before, stay tuned. The Target Group has an offer for you. Most companies build their sales and marketing on two pillars, their advertising and their sales representatives. As you can tell, that's not a very stable way to run your business, especially if one of the two is not performing up to par. A multi-pillar strategy will give your company strength to grow in any economy and continue to build for many years to follow. At the Target Group, we guarantee your success. We are the only business performance optimization company in the country that will guarantee your success and grow your company 15 to 100% or more without your having to spend any more money on advertising. As a thank you for watching this short video, we would like to offer you a free opportunity analysis to help you discover your hidden assets and create your blueprint for success. This opportunity analysis is valued at $500, and yes, we will do it absolutely free for you today. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today and watch your business thrive.